This might be the coolest thing I've ever built so far. Check this out.
I am the son of God. I'm the son. Jesus, son. I am the son of God. I am the son of God.
So I used Kimi work. I started in Claude crashed, so then I switched over to Kimi, and then I made these tracks in Suno, and in Suno you can get the stems, and so I had it go and download all the tracks, get the stems right here. It downloads all the stems, and then it put it into a stem player. It's so cool. I'll put a link so you can check it out. There's a bunch of them. Artists? No, how many I got so far? That's all I got so far. That's amazing. Do they all work? Oh, yes, look at that. And so then the goal here is to get guitar tabs. It's going to build this out. So then here's the song, here's the guitar tabs. And then basically I'm giving these guys a run for their money. Multi-tracks. Because they have pretty much every church paying them right now on the planet. And let's take their money. You know what I'm saying? Because basically you go to any of these tracks, and I had it this page. So I just said basically copy this page is the goal. Build a version of this that kind of does this. And then that's what we're getting towards here. Wow. I'll put a link to it. Check it out. It's pretty cool.